Hello class 1, today we will do the new chapter in SST, chapter 12, people who help us. Okay. So children, there are many things we cannot do ourselves in our day to day life. Okay. We take the help of people to do these things. Let us see some of the people who help us. Okay. So first one is teacher now. Okay. Now, a teacher is an important person in everyone's life. Teachers teach you good habits. A teacher works in school like me, isn't it? I also work in school. I teach you in the school. Yes, children. So, teacher teach in the school. So, next one is a shopkeeper. A shopkeeper works in a shop. A shopkeeper sells things. Okay. So, children, if you want anything from the shop, where you go? You go to shop, and who gives you the thing from the shop? The shopkeeper, isn't it? So, the shopkeeper sells things and distribute things in the shop. So, next one is a bus driver. Okay. I hope you have seen the bus driver. You have seen the bus driver? Yes. A bus driver drives a bus. A bus driver takes a person from one place to another. Understood? It helps us to go from one place to another place. Is that clear? So, next one is doctor. So, children, have you seen the doctor? Yes. So, the doctor works in the hospital, isn't it? A doctor treats sick people. Suppose you are ill, okay children, you go to hospital and the doctor treats you and give you the medicine and you get well soon, isn't it? Okay. So, next one is a police officer. Have you seen the police officer? Yes. A police officer works in a police station. Okay. A police officer keeps the neighborhood safe. Understood? So, children, let us warm up, let us do some activities here. So, here look, match the clues with the words in the box. Okay. So, look here, number 1, I go here to learn to read and write. Where? Yes, you go to school, isn't it? So, we go we go to school to read and write. Okay. So, next one is I go here to post letters. So, children, where? Yes, you go to post office, isn't it? So, I go post office to post letters. Okay. So, next one is I go here when I am sick. So, children, where do you go when you are sick? Yes, you go to hospital. So, I go hospital when I am sick. Okay. So, next one, I go here to buy things. You go to the shop, isn't it? You go to the shop to buy the things. Okay. So, next one, I go here to report fire. Where you go to report fire? Where? Yes, you go to the fire station, isn't it? Yes, I go to the fire station to report fire. So, next one, I go here to report lost items. You go to police station, isn't it? So, let us do the next one. So, look here, the next one is a firefighter. Okay. A firefighter works in a fire station. Understood? A firefighter works in a fire station. A firefighter puts out fire. Understood? A firefighter puts out fire. So, when there is fire, we call firefighter, isn't it children? So, next one is a postal worker. So, a postal worker works in a post office. Who brings letter? The postal worker, or we can say a postman or a postal worker brings letter, isn't it? So, a postal worker brings letter at our homes. Understood? So, like this, all people help to make our lives easy. Understood? These all people help us to make our life easy. Understood, children? So, let us do some activity again here. So, here is the fill in the blanks. A dash teaches children and walks in a dash. So, children, who teaches you? Yes, your answer is a teacher. Who teach? A teacher teaches children, and where the teacher teach you? In the school. Okay? Yes. So, next one, a dash treats sick people and walk in a dash. So, children, who treats the sick people? Who? Doctor. And where he treats you? In hospital, isn't it? So, let us see the answer. Yes, a doctor treats sick people and walks in a hospital. Okay. So, next, a dash keeps the neighborhood safe and walks in a dash. Now, who keeps our neighborhood safe? Let us see the answer. A policeman. Okay. A policeman keeps our neighborhood safe and walks in a police station. Is that clear? So, next one. A dash brings letter and walks in dash. Now, who brings letter? Yes, the postman, isn't it? Or a postal worker brings letter and walks in a post office. Okay. So, next one. Here is state true or false. Understood? A firefighter walks in a police station. Is it true? A firefighter walks in a police station. Is it true? No. Your answer is false. So, children, who walks in a police station? A policeman, isn't it? A policeman walks in a police station. So, this sentence is false. Okay. So, next one. A bus driver walks in a post office. Is it true? Who walks in a post office, children? Bus driver? No, isn't it? So, who walks in a post office? A postal worker, isn't it? Or a postman. So, this is also false. Okay. So, next one. A shopkeeper walks in a shop. Where do shopkeeper walks? In shop. Yes. So, this is true. Okay. So, next one. A doctor works in a hospital. Where do doctor works? In a hospital. Is this sentence true? Yes, this sentence is true. Okay. So, next one. Here, let us do some activity again. Look here, it is very interesting now. You have to match the column. Okay. Match each picture with the correct occupation. Okay. Here the picture are given. You have to match it. Understood? Now, see first one in column A. What is the picture? This one. This is a doctor, isn't it? So, match it to the doctor here. Okay. So, next one is, who is he in the picture? He is a policeman, isn't it? The next one is, see here, driver. He is driving a bus. Okay. So, see here, next picture is teacher. He is teaching in the class. So, next one is firefighter. Okay. Yes. This is the way you have to do. Okay, children. So, I hope you have understood the chapter clearly. Thank you.